Okay, next up is a weather one that you guys might recognize from when you were little, and it's called If All the Raindrops, all right? So we need rain, we'll also need snow, and we'll need sun, and outside, okay? It's like you're pulling yourself outside. It's like outside, like outdoors, outside. And then we're going to need lemon. So you make an L and you make a very sour face. Ooh, like you just tried a lemon. Gum, like your jaw's working up and down, chewing on gum. Then we're going to need candy. So it's a little twist here. It's like it's rotting out your teeth. So I often tell my kids that. And milkshakes. So we're going to sign milk just for the heck of it, to make it easier. And that's often what you're talking about with your babies versus like milkshakes, right? This is milk. Okay, so then we're going to need bubble gum and ice cream. All right, so even if it's in a cone or a cup, it's ice cream. All right, so just as a reminder, if all the raindrops were lemon drops and gum drops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. Okay, here we go. And then we switch up the different weather and food signs. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. Lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. So snow, candy bars, and milkshakes. If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. Okay, last one is sun with bubblegum and ice cream. If all the sunbeams were bubblegum and ice cream, oh, what a sun that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide.